Absolutely lit. Wow, this is class. So we started this day with a bit of yoga. Then after that, we went to get some food. Look how beautiful that looks. And I also bumped into someone who follows me on Instagram. That was pretty cool. I would love to see more of you guys there next year. And then we went to see the happy pair.
And obviously we weren't, but that was the kind of context of it. And I remember, we ended up calling it the happy pair because there was two of us and we were selling fruit, like pears. So it was like a fun. Did you get it? Yeah. She had a famous quote. She said, if you get 4 hugs a day, that's maintenance. If you get 8 hugs a day, there's a little bit of growth. But if you get 12 hugs a day, that's exponential growth. You are flying. You get an idea where this is going. Yeah.
So we went around hugging each other. And this was a great exercise because whenever you hug, you release oxytocin. And whenever you release oxytocin, this reduces your stress levels. So that was great. Gonna get the coconut cut. Yeah. So the coconut stand was absolutely amazing just to watch as they cracked this open. Had a heart attack being like, oh shit, don't try this at home. But it was absolutely amazing just to watch them skillfully do this, just focused and just ready, just for anything, getting ready. But yeah, the water was great and they helped you open it up so you can get at the meat.
These plant-based eaters who not only care about our own lives, but also about the lives of the wonderful animals that we share this planet with. In addition, did you know that most vegans are still dying of the same types of chronic diseases that plague omnivorous eaters? Most of them are preventable, many are treatable.
Hench Herbivore's talk was amazing. Him and his partner did amazing. One of the biggest takeaways I got was that you can use your health, fitness, vitality as a way to inspire people by being an example. You don't have to, live on Oreos and cookies and all these fake meats. You can eat healthy, you can feel great, you can vibrate at a high level and inspire people by example. Great talk.
It's amazing. The vegan campout just keeps getting bigger and bigger. This is my 4th talk here in a row. I've been here every year, and every year it's just literally gotten bigger and bigger.
Dina was amazing. She talked about ahimsa, the first limb, practicing non-violence towards other beings. We feel spiritually one and connected, but practicing yoga without ahimsa is like riding a bike without wheels.
UK alone, we kill approximately 10 million pigs per year. Again, these are just figures for the UK. We kill approximately 14.5 million sheep per year. And then carrying on, 950 million birds are killed and 80 million fish are killed per year just in the UK. I've had here, my yoga practice is minimal. So at the moment, in all honesty, I barely manage 5 Surya Namaskars and 10 minutes of meditation a day, but I made a commitment to do that every day, so I do try. So 5 Surya Namaskars takes me about 5 minutes, and then 10 minutes of meditation. I manage that when he falls asleep usually, or if he's, on the odd occasion, being looked after. For me, so why can't it be for you? And you have to do it overnight, and you can't do small steps, etc., etc. So I was kind of, what do you call them? Abolitionist vegan, perhaps, if you want to give it a name. And then as I began to expand my activism, I talked to a lot more people. I became, I suppose, a lot more compassionate in my approach. And I suppose the thing that I have to remind myself is that a lot of these philosophical teachings, like Ayurveda as well, the Eastern practice of Ayurveda, again, very much recommends dairy and ghee, which is clarified butter. And the same with yoga as well, the emphasis on dairy is huge. What I remind myself is that a lot of these teachings are coming from hundreds of years ago, some are thousands of years ago, where perhaps the cows were treated a lot better. The nutritional value that they were giving was far more, less detrimental than what we're getting now from cows. So they have that in their minds, and I have to be compassionate with them that, they've not looked into, they've not dissected what we're actually promoting now, which is, an abundance of casein and pus in cow's milk. So you know, the thing I remind them is that actually if you compare how cows were once treated 50 to 100 years ago to how cows are treated now, you're getting no nutritional value at all. And that often gives them something to think about. It will take a long time for them to actually change the philosophical writings, but I think, you know, planting seeds now can help.
Turn the lights down low, turn up the stereos. Alternate is Gregory, Isaac, Dennis Brown. Have you ever been in love? No bad vibes can't stop. What do we do? No complications. I want to see you talk about it. Let's keep it secret. Look too good, that shit's illegal. I swear. Good vibration. That's the positive vibes that we created. Baby, we don't wanna play no game, that's true. Start communicating and let's wait, that's true. Imagine if we went and got the...
Yo, so the campout has been absolutely lit. I haven't had a chance to record everything I've wanted to record because there's no power sort of plugs, like power outlet places where you can charge your phone. So that was kind of frustrating, but at the moment I'm coming on to see the preacher Lawson guy. I saw him on YouTube, so it will be interesting to sort of check him out. So, but yeah, the music here is absolutely lit. The music here is lit and very inspiring. Those guys that I just listened to, very chill vibe. So yeah, no, but overall, the campout has been really fun.
We're in Nigeria, but you know, put this right here, put my phone right here. Anyway, good to see y'all, man. I got a question. Is it dark in here or is it just me? Because I don't see any black people. Where y'all at? That's a black joke. It's hot, man. I was white like 3 hours ago. I don't know what happened. It's crispy right now. Anyway, so I don't know if you ever seen me on TV and I look different. I didn't have this before, okay? I call this hairstyle quarantine, you know? Remember that? When it was illegal to touch people, remember that? It was a threat touching somebody. What'd you say? I'll hug your whole family. It was a threat. People were dying from dry high fives, but we get to be around each other. And I feel like most people like dogs more than they like people. That's what I feel like. You know what I mean? Because I can't do what a dog does to you. I can't just walk up to you like, hey, random stranger that I never met before in my life. What if I want to do that? Snap, bro, look at that dog. Look at that dog. These chicks are tight, man. I swear to God, bro.
So I got loads of sushi today. Yeah, I literally had so much sushi, I think I should make a song. But yeah, I bumped into these cool dudes that knew how to beatbox and stuff. You meet such like a diverse group of people at the campout that like kind of blows away any stereotypes that you may have in your head of like a vegan being a certain way, because you just see 10,000 different people and you're like, everyone's got different sort of likes, dislikes, styles, personalities, and yeah, it's really amazing to see. And you know, if you're a new vegan, it's like a utopia. Wow, this is class. Hey, skirt. So what you see here is a silent rave, and I was vibing hard to this. I thought this was cool as hell, especially with my Star Trek, you know, RoboCop sort of shades on. Just feeling like it was 2060 and the vegans had won. So this is the vibe. Yeah, so lots of dancing, lots of vibing, lots of good music, just good vibes all around.
box here, used to sleep on the floor. I never do no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Now I'm selling out the show.
So just concluding day 2, it was super fun. Lots of dancing, lots of food, lots of good vibes, meeting cool people, connecting. And if you want to know the story behind this, I was just on my way, back to my tent, bumped into these guys. We just ended up just chilling, just laying in the grass, staring at the stars. And yeah, it was really good fun. Coming to events like this always sort of spiritually sort of uplifts me. I just feel rejuvenated, restored. It's just great to connect with like minds. And yeah, always looking forward to, the next camp out. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Peace, love, veganism. Like and subscribe. I am out.